Fisher, come on down.
I was at the school for 7 years. I started with the Carpenters. I was there for about 2.5 years. Ended up making the change over to the cabinet makers. They made me start school back over, but I was happy that I made the change.
Connor Fahey, come on down.
The training was very good. We had a mix of in the field shop and classroom. So we learned from prints to hands-on studs. We learned metal, residential. It was a good mix of everything.
Abdul Rahim Savage, come on down.
I think the biggest thing for me is having the skill and not being in debt. Like, a lot of people make less than what we're making and they owe $30,000, $100,000, and then you have a skill with what you do.
I want you to repeat after me. Let's start with number one. Be on time. Be on time. Be productive. Be productive. Be safe and professional. Be safe and professional. Learn something new every day. And be a good union member. All right. Could everybody give the class of 2026 a standing ovation and a round of applause?